In this video, I want to answer the question, what is Scrumban? In earlier videos, I've talked about what is Scrum and I've talked about what is Kanban. And Scrum and Kanban are two methodologies that come under the wider umbrella of Agile project management. And yes, I've also done a video about that. So what is Scrumban? Well, Scrumban is kind of like merger of Kanban and Scrum into one methodology. And of course, as you'd expect, the people who developed Scrumban were trying to bring out the best characteristics of each and do away with the weaknesses of both. So, what are the strengths of Scrum that we want to preserve? Well, clearly it's the idea that we have a fixed amount of stuff that needs to get done by a deadline. But what Kanban allows us to do is to give flexibility to the team as to how they schedule their work within that time frame, drawing down the right amount of work, but also limiting the amount of work in progress at any one time. So this gives us a Scrumban board, which looks very much like a Kanban board, but with some very specific types of swim lanes. So let's look at a generic Scrumban board and think about the kinds of swim lanes we might expect to give us these benefits. So on the left, we've got our backlog or our queue of tasks that need to get done. And remember that Scrumban may have found its beginnings in software development, as did Scrum itself, but it can be used more widely. Then, just as Scrum brings elements of the backlog into the sprint, we've got the on-deck activities, the things that are going to be done within this sprint or this time-boxed period. Then, we can take things from being on deck to being next already. This isn't necessarily part of the process. We might go straight from being on deck to the next swim lane, which is shown here as the doing, the development, the active stage. But it may be that what you're developing needs to be specified, and therefore we may introduce one or even two additional swim lanes between the next and the doing swim lane. These would be specify and specified. So specify is the swim lane where we'll place tasks whilst they're going through the process of receiving their specification, whereas specified is a parking place when something's received its specification but is not ready yet to go into the doing lane. Once we've completed the task of building the product or doing the work, then we can move that product into deployment if that's appropriate, which it will be, of course, for IT projects. And again, we might introduce two additional swim lanes between the development stage and the deployment stage for testing. The first would be a pending stage awaiting testing or quality assurance or final approval. And then the next would be the quality assurance stage, the approval stage or the testing stage. Then, if the product needs to go into a formal deployment stage, then we've got that swim lane, and finally a done swim lane for products or tasks that have been completed. So all Scrumban is a hybrid methodology. It adds to the number of methodologies available to you under the broad Agile umbrella. Whilst Scrumban was developed for IT-based projects, the principles are generic, and any good project manager will always be on the lookout for tools and techniques and ideas that you can incorporate into any project you do. So take a look at Scrumban in detail if you think that this idea of a time-boxed sequence of activities that individual team members can draw down and work on as they choose is a useful approach for your project.